Okay, this video is about Lead Safe Mama. About 2 days ago, I did a video about Lead Safe Mama. She made a documentary, Miss Lead, as an LEAD, that two of her children had lead poisoning when the contractor allowed them to stay in the house while they were sanding down the old lead paint. And, it was very sad. Her kids had permanent brain damage from that. And she devoted her life to helping protect other people, families, and her family too, from lead or other types of poisoning due to heavy metals. And so she became an expert in testing. This is like the mission of her life, to test everything for lead, cadmium, arsenic, mercury, your basic heavy metals. And so this is her website. You can find it by just searching Lead Safe Mama. I'll put a link in there if they let me. But the name of her website is not Lead Safe Mama. That's just her name. The name of her website is her real name, Tamara Rubin. Okay, so it's tamararubin.com. Again, I'll try to put a link in the description below. What you do with the site is you just go there and you click on stuff and you see how it did, the results of its test. Consumer Reports has also done projects in conjunction with her. I'm also going to have right after this her lecture. She gave a lecture at Vegan Society of Hawaii on toxicology and what she's learned from testing stuff. She's going to say some negative things about rice, but let me just remind you, brown rice has a lot more arsenic than white rice, and there are ways to find white rice that's pretty low in arsenic. Okay, and I still eat rice about 4 or 5 times a week, and I've been pretty happy with it, haven't had any problems. And McDougall said he never seen a person in his life have arsenic toxicity. So I do think it can potentially happen, and I made entire videos all about that issue, so I'm not going to get into it right now, but I think it's real, but I do think it's exaggerated. So anyways, I'll put the links in the description below. Lead Safe Mama, she's a hero of toxicology. You can learn a lot from her. Both her website and the Vegan Society Hawaii lecture are both well worth your time. They're quite extraordinary and interesting.